Really good meeting you.
Yeah, very good meeting. Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Unboxing Sunday. Right, so for today, Dinisha, what are we going to do?
We have baby Groot here, as you can see.
Yep.
So we're doing the
Guardians of the Galaxy.
Volume 2
Yep.
from Marvel Collector's Corp.
Yeah. Basically, I do not know what's inside yet.
So
Dinisha also do not know what's inside, but I'm sure that some of you all have already seen the unboxing review of Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2 Marvel's Collector Box, right? So let's open it and see what's inside for those who do not know what's inside yet. Okay, and also at the end of this episode, we are going to announce the winners, not the winners, but the winner for this Marvel Collector Box.
this one.
This is Volume 1, Volume 1 consider, right? This one you are going to win, alright? So we are going to draw lots and see who wins it, alright? Okay, so before that, let's open up this collector box, okay? Alright. Dinisha, you can open.
So you can see our baby Groot here.
Yep, baby good. I think this is a teenager baby good.
No.
Is it a teenager or is it a teenager? He is a teenager.
There's Star-Lord,
Yeah.
Rocket, Gamora, Drax.
Yep,
The rest are baby
baby
Groot.
good. Okay, and then,
The pin and patch.
Alright.
is- Yeah, pin and patch.
I will take the patch.
So for the pin you have Gamora.
Okay, and then for the patch you have Star-Lord. Okay, this is how Star-Lord looks like. Okay, I'm not sure if you guys can see properly. Alright, this is how Star-Lord looks like. Okay, and then Dinisha has Gamora for the pin.
And this is Gamora. Not sure. Gamora.
Okay, and then what else you have inside? Okay, you can take the comic.
A very cute comic book cover of Rocket and Groot dancing.
Yeah, actually, let me clear this away. Right, so we have the comic of, this looks like baby Rocket. It looks so cute. Alright, this is how the comic looks like. Alright, okay, next up, what you want? There's the rights, there's t-shirt, and there's a pop. Take the rights.
This last one.
This is the last of all. Take the t-shirt and take the pop. Take the t-shirt. Right? Basically, every time Dinisha takes the t-shirt, if I'm not mistaken, yeah. So this time I'm going to take a t-shirt.
Okay.
You can open the pop. The pop looks interesting. Okay. Basically, what we have for this Marvel Collector Box is the Rocket with Baby Groot.
So this is number at 211.
211.
Yes.
Is this yours?
Yeah.
No, you're right.
Ooh, you have double bobblehead.
Ready?
Rocket and Groot.
Oh, okay. One interesting fact is that
It's double.
it's double. Okay. If you see, right, Baby Groot is bobblehead.
Wait, as well as Rocket.
Rocket is bobblehead as well.
I thought Groot would be
We
like
are aesthetic,
Yeah.
aesthetic final figure.
stagnant.
Stagnant, yeah. Stagnant, yeah. Alright. So this one is pretty nice, okay. It's Rocket with Groot. Okay, it's numbered at 211. And yeah, right. So he can't really stand anything. Okay, maybe because Baby Groot is like,
Leaning there.
yeah. Okay. So, okay, this pop can't stand. There's no standee as well.
Yeah.
Okay, alright. So yeah, here's how Rocket with Baby Groot looks like. Okay, so Dinisha is going to do a turnaround later for you guys to see. Okay, in the meantime, we put it here.
How do I do a turnaround in
Oh yeah,
Rocket can't?
Rocket can't stand, so we can't do a turnaround. Now we will see how later on. Okay, if you guys see there's a turnaround, means we somehow figured out how to make it stand. Right? Okay, next up, t-shirt. Go ahead. Lazy girl.
What?
Okay, I'll open up the t-shirt.
You just said I opened most of the t-shirts. So you open one.
Okay, I'll open up this t-shirt. It's black in color, right? Alright.
Purple.
Okay, this is the t-shirt. Okay, what we have here is the size is medium. Okay, so this is the t-shirt. Basically, everyone is I mean, all of the Guardians of the Galaxy characters are inside. Okay, from Star-Lord,
Star-Lord, Gamora,
who's that? Drax?
Drax, Groot, Baby Groot, Yondu, Mantis, and Rocket.
Yeah, we have everything. Okay, Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2. Okay, for this, is this just the only design, or is there like a different design or colors? Do you know?
We'll find out later.
Yeah, we'll find out later. Oh yeah, later we'll find out whether there's other designs or not. Alright? Okay, what's up? Next up we have is the dog rides. We'll pass this to Dinisha, okay? Okay, let's take a look.
No, it's the only design.
Yep, so the t-shirt, this is the only design, alright? The only design and the only colors. Because why we say this is that because sometimes some of the collector boxes, there are different designs or colors, alright? But for this is the only design and the only color that's available. Okay?
So this one is Dodge Ride with Star-Lord and with the Milano, which I think is his spaceship.
Is it the one in the movie? Is that Milano? Alright. The one where Star-Lord asked Baby Groot to fasten your seatbelts. Is it that one?
I think so.
And Baby Groot is just eating the popcorn.
I think it was M&M or something.
M&M's, okay.
Okay. Star-Lord can be taken out.
I didn't.
Oh, it's from here. So the ship is detachable.
Now let me go. Yeah. I'll clear this first. Okay, while Dinisha is opening this up, alright, so this is Milano, alright. Dinisha is trying to take out this wing here, right? The wing is actually detachable, alright. And then the dogs is here. Okay, basically you can just put it in, right?
I think it just
stays there. Okay, this is how Star-Lord looks like. Okay.
Whole ship is.
Why is it detachable, that one?
I'm not sure.
She broke it.
I did not. You fix that.
She broke it.
I started sweating.
She broke it.
I did not. See?
Okay, alright, fine.
I don't touch you.
Okay? Alright, okay, best.
You broke it.
No! Is it broken or what? No, okay. Alright, so actually the Milano, the wings is detachable, okay, but I dare not pull it out, okay, but it is detachable, right? Okay, right, this is how Milano looks like, okay? Okay, and then I give you the dogs. The dogs is the most safe thing to touch, right?
And like, looks different because he doesn't have the facial hair.
Oh yeah, this is Star-Lord, okay? His uniform is nice, I think, yeah. A lot of markings. Alright? So basically you can actually if you take a look at here, right? It looks like there's a clip to actually clip it. If you take a look at this.
Yeah.
Right? But actually no. You just put it here.
Maybe just like a span.
Yeah. Alright? So this is Star-Lord with Milano. Okay? And what else we have? That's all actually, yeah. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the shirt 6, we have 6 items for this Marvel collector box. Okay? The patch, the pin, okay? And then what else, Nisha?
Rocket and Baby Cooper.
Okay? We have Star-Lord with Milano under the dog rides.
Yes.
And then okay, we have the comic. And we have the t-shirt. Okay? Right. And then that's all. That's pretty much the Marvel collector box for Volume 2, Guardians of the Galaxy. Right? So, Dinisha, you can tell them what's next.
You all probably know the next issue is Spider-Man.
Yes, Homecoming. Did they give any like a sneak peek what's inside?
I'm not sure.
Because like the Star Wars one, they say that Darth Maul is inside.
Yeah, they give spoilers.
But for this one, we are not sure. Okay. So what's that back?
Just a map of the concept artwork, color schemes and all that.
basically how they created this Marvel collector box. Okay, their drawings and colorings. Alright, so that's all. Okay, for this collector box.
Now
Okay,
move on to the next.
move on to the next. Before we move on to the next, choose your favorite.
Fine.
Okay, this is Nisha's favorite. Okay, Rocket and Baby Good. I will actually choose this as well, but I will go for the top price.
Okay.
Yeah, don't break it. Okay, I'll go for this as my favorite. Okay, I'll go this for my favorite. Alright, the Star-Lord with Milano. Okay, and this is Nisha's favorite. Alright, so yeah, you know what? Every collector box that we do, right, we never choose the badge and the pin as our favorite, right? Yeah, we always choose the items inside there. Okay, never mind. Alright, so okay, before we end today's episode, what we are going to do is we are going to announce the winner for this the giveaway. Right, we are going to announce the winner for the giveaway, which is this one. Okay, so basically our Dinsha will draw a lot. Okay, and I'll just mix it, and Dinsha's going to draw a lot. So over here we have like 14 comments. Okay, roughly there, 14 comments. Alright, you guys, what we did was we print out all of the comments. Okay, Dinisha did it, so hardworking. Okay, she did it, and then we stapled it, and all your comments are in here right now. So what we are going to do is I will just mix it, and Dinisha will draw the lots. Okay, so if you don't win it, it's basically Dinisha's fault,
No!
right? Because she's the one that picked it.
Because we need to have one winner.
Yeah, don't worry. Okay, we will have every month we will have a giveaway.
So you have
So every
other chances.
yeah, you have other chances of winning other giveaways. Alright. Okay, and the moment of truth. Choose one. Okay. So she's going. Why?
We know this guy.
Ready? Oh, okay. We know this guy. Okay. Alright. Let's see who is it. So whoever that Dinisha draw will win this giveaway. Who is it?
Wait.
Don't
Suspense.
don't tear off the name, okay?
Ah. Okay. Darren Bay.
Oh, Darren Man. Okay, we know this guy. Yeah. Alright.
So
Okay.
his comment is Yondu because he stands on a moral ground higher than the rest of the religious and proves time and time again that he's a good man.
Alright. So here is it. Okay.
Yep.
Darren Man. Alright. You have won this box.
Collector box.
Okay.
Come and collect it.
Come and collect it. Okay. Don't ask us to ship it to you.
Just
Come and collect it. Okay. I think you have some reserve items as well.
Yeah.
Whoa, suddenly we are attacking you. Alright, okay, congratulations Darren Man. Okay, we have won this collector box.
Yes.
Okay, so we are going to end the video now. Okay, we will see you guys next week. Next week we are going to announce a new giveaway, and then we will see what we are going to unbox for next week as well. Okay, anything you want to say?
Don't forget to like, subscribe.
And yeah, that's all. Okay, alright, see you guys next week. Bye bye.